an advent calendar for sales and marketing in home care, home health, and hospice. Day one, agency owners, marketers, business development folks. If your referrals felt a little random this year, do this before you take your next step or buy any program. So let's grab a pen and rate your agency on 4 things. 1, can you clearly explain how your care decreases readmissions or decline? Do you have that as your differentiator, and can you clearly explain it? 2, do you have a written list of your top 10 referral partners by name, and does everyone in your agency have that list so they know who your top 10 targets are? 3, do your patient advocates have a weekly educational outreach plan, or do they just drop by? 4, if your best liaison quit tomorrow, would your referrals drop off a cliff? Let's look at this. So if you have more than one no, you don't have a great system. You probably have hope. If you want a 90-day plan that installs a growth partner rhythm and guarantees 3 new referrals, then hit the link below and book a 3 in 90 referral plan call. If that feels like too big of a jump, start with HCS Growth Lab and get your advocates in motion weekly. For the last 25 years, we've been helping agencies just like yours. And I can't wait for day 2. We're going to be talking about your top 10 list. So be on the lookout for the next video series in our advent calendar, because we are leading with heart and winning with strategy.